Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? How is everyone doing? What are y'all working on? I hope everyone's well. I'm Debbie, Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you have not subscribed and are watching this, please consider doing so as this helps my channel. I am here with an unboxing. I'm sure y'all seen like 50 of them because I've seen like 4, but you know, it is what it is, and I want to do an unboxing for y'all, and it's of an LED light pad by Toheto. The company is Toheto. Through Amazon, they sent it to me as a PR unboxing. It's an LED light pad, and like I said, it's by Toheto, T-O-H-E-T-O. I'm gonna read y'all the description on Amazon, and then I'll read y'all this. Open this. It's a A4 wireless battery powered light pad with, well, this one doesn't have a case. I don't know if it's wireless. It's a tracing light box. It's rechargeable LED light. That's the only one I see. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm not sure if this one's wireless or not. Let's see what this does it say. Easy tracing, draw what you see what you draw. Eyesight protected, scale, ultra thin, and adjustable brightness. And it is an A4 Toheto brand, and we're gonna open it. I was trying to read y'all the description off of Amazon, but I'm not sure if this is rechargeable, this one or not. So we're gonna find out, I'm guessing. I'll keep the box because I just bought me a light pad from Amazon. Yeah, that was before this came in, because mine's a little bit bigger though. Mine's an A3. Mine went kaput. It died. But I'll have a backup just in case. Okay, so copyboard instructions, it tells you it's an A4-21 size 349 by 248 by 7 millimeters. The activity area is 316 by 218 millimeters. The input voltage is a type C 5V 5 volt. Brightness 3 levels. Stepless adjustable. Rated power 4.1 watts. Product light source is an LED. Product material, guide plate, and LED light. So it tells you all about it in this little paper. And explains to you. And it comes with tracing paper. And some sheets, I guess, to draw. So I'm going to show you those first. Has a cord. I think it's a type C cord. USB type C. Yeah. It is. And I don't have a thing to show y'all. God dog it. Let me see if it's, no, we have to, it's not, this one is not wireless. Like the one I bought was wireless. But this is what it looks like. It's an LED light pad, A4. And like I said, it has, the color temperature is 20,000 K. The brightness is 3 levels. And it is a Toheto brand. It does not come with, it does not have a stand. Some of them have stands, but this one does not. It just has 4 little cushions so it doesn't slide. You turn it on and off right here. And I'm sure the brightness as well. I'm going to see if I might be able to hook this up. Let me just show y'all the tracing paper. It comes with the tracing paper, so y'all can put it on the board. Comes with different ones, photos, pictures, whatever. That's cute. It's for drawers with the parrots or whatever they are, parakeets. And then the blank sheets. So I'm gonna see if I can get this plugged up for y'all. Oh look, that's cool. But you put these on there and yeah. So let's see what else it comes with. It's an ultra thin A4 ultra thin portable LED light box tracer with 4 magnets, Type-C USB power cable, stepless dimmable brightness. And this is what it's the brand Toheto. And I'm going to open this package right here because I think this is the magnet. I'm going to show you what's in this package. This is a pencil. That's a real wood pencil. Pencil sharpener. Eraser. That's a nice eraser as well. And these are magnets. If you want to hold the sheet on the board. I guess I should have been more prepared, huh? Oh well, it happens. And these are very strong magnets. Good God. Yeah, this is really nice, y'all. Really nice. See that if you want to put your paper on here, this, you can hold it down. The top of it's a magnet. I think just the top. Like that. And you can hold your paper down with it. That's really cute. I love these. So this is a really nice light pad. Like I said, the top's a magnet. That is also cool. I mean, you can do many things with that. That is cool. Let me see if I can get it plugged and everything. I think I have my, yes. Now give me a second. I can plug it up real quick. And I'm going to show y'all how it works. Let's see. There we go. So this is the brightness. You just hold it down and it goes dimmer or brighter. See? That's cool. Has a good tracing area. Really like it. It's pretty neat. I love it. It serves the purpose. You really don't need a big light pad. This is like the size you don't really need a big one, because even though you're doing a big canvas, you're only doing a portion at a time. So I mean, if you're just starting out or whatever, this would be just fine. Yep, and it's by Toheto, and it's from Amazon. You can find these on Amazon, and I'm gonna put a link in the description portion of this video to this light pad, and that way if y'all want to purchase one, y'all can just go from there, because they do have cordless ones and rechargeable cordless ones. So I think it's pretty neat. I love the way it does that. So yeah, that's a nice light pad, and it has nice a nice pencil eraser, pencil sharpener, and the magnets. I really like the magnets, are really helpful at the top. And so that concludes this video, and I really appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, this is going to be in the description portion below, so y'all go check them out on Amazon. Bye, y'all.